Welcome to the show today. Our guest today is Barakat, the head of the director of WAMA, Washington Media Association. Welcome to Barakat.
Thank you for having me. I really appreciate all the concern and the work that you are putting against COVID-19 to galvanize the community of East Africans, in particular Ethiopians and Somalians alike.
And Barakat, can you give us updates what's going on about the COVID-19 and the community of color? It's really
Well, right now, with the help of General Director CERC, Samit Mel, we are trying to organize. We are organizing more and more communities of color. I think we are reaching about 23. Right now, we have created strategies that anchors in. I got a telephone call.
It's okay.
That anchors in four categories. One, the advocacy. The second is the immediate need. And the third is communication. And the fourth is anti-hate. So based on those current categories, we are trying to galvanize and help communities of color. And also, as you guys are aware, we started fighting on the quarantine area on White Center because the area at White Center was just a residential area, not fit to host quarantine patients. And so far, nothing has materialized in terms of whether it's going to be reopened or stay closed. This is on the public awareness side. But also, I know for sure, especially the business community are being so much hurt by this unprecedented economic catastrophe. Small businesses are hurted. Restaurants, and as we are know, most of our people, they have their own small shops. So there are a lot of sites that really help them, but also it remains a problematic because of language barriers and also not able to find where the resources are. For instance, the state of Washington has created a consolidated COVID-19 business resource for Washington state business. I don't know how many of them will know, but if they want to know, they have to go to the business.washington.wa.gov website. There is a list of helps that they can find. And also the CBA Express bridge loan allows small business to have a business relationship with the SBA to accept up to $25,000 a loan. So the city has also created a small business stabilization fund. Ours as a media is to tell those resources are available for communities of color. And our job remains to translate for those people who have problems in language and also help. But the problem is because of the physical barriers that the governor has instituted for the last 2 weeks. It is so hard to make eye-to-eye contact in person. We will not be able to give the necessary help online. But those resources are available as is now. And I hope when things are easing, we can go shop by shop to help them to get the right application for the right on the right time. I hope we'll be able to help if it is extended the time of the stay-home order.
And Barakat, you spoke to a lot of the community, East African community, and also the state and city leaders. How do they feel the people?
We contacted some council members like Council Girmay Zahalai, Joe McDermott, and they are around the clock trying to help as much as they could. Trying to locate the funds and to be responsible for their constituency.
So what about the leaders? What are they saying?
Well, I mean, so far, we will not be able to, see the mayor and the governor because of, the distance. And hopefully, when things are easy, we'll be able to present our, problems to the mayor or to the governor or to the King County executive.
Okay, you spoke to a lot of community leaders and the people of business. How do they feeling? What are they asking?
Well, they are totally devastated. Now, there are a lot of loans being offered, but I don't know those loans where they're going to be able to help them at this stage. What I am looking is a stimulus package one time, probably, with a minimum 2-point interest rate to help them to pay in the long term. Because once the big business die, the customers die with it. So it's going to take a lot of time and energy to get back the customers.
Barak, is there anything you want to add before we?
Well, I mean, yeah. What I'm trying to add is stay tuned. Don't lose hope. Once you lose hope, you lose, everything. So hope doesn't kill. Let's hope things will be better, and let's work together for betterment of our community, for ourselves. And this is unprecedented time in our lives. I hope this thing never happen again. So stay safe. Business will come, but our health is the most important aspect in our lives. Let's keep the 2 weeks and the distance and all those necessary precautions. The guidance by the governor of Washington State and the mayor. Let's follow all these instructions. Once we are into business, we'll be able to come back. We are fighters. We don't give up easily. And that's the spirit that I'm hearing from many people, the business and the community alike.
Thank you. That was Barakat, the director of WAMA, and also Sirik. Thank you very much. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you, Mohammed and Ali. I really appreciate all the work that you are doing on behalf of WAMA, Washington Africa Media Association. I couldn't be proud of it.